everyone, my name is Benite Corion and I am the owner of Braids by Bee Inc. Beauty Salon, and we are located in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. And what we do is we cater to those who want braiding and dreadlock service. What makes us unique is that we found a market of pre-existing issues with those who wear dreadlocks. That's right, those who naturally wear dreadlocks. This is their real hair, has issues, hair loss issues, hair replacement issues that many salons don't cater to. So what we did is we found a market and we started catering to that market. Okay, we have a patent on our hairline, which is the bundle of hair that we use just to repair and make handmade dreadlocks. We make handmade dreadlocks that can be used to replace anybody's missing dreadlocks, or to extend it, or to start a whole new head of dreadlocks. We are the first to start collecting real dreadlocks. Many other hair companies that collects hair, that takes donations of hair, do not take dreadlocks. So we now take dreadlocks, and we are able to offer these dreadlocks as another option to our customers. So today, you might as well call us the House of Dreadlocks. Braids by Bee Inc.